Welcome to video lecture of class 11th. Myself Abhishek Srivastava. I will teach you mathematics. Your first chapter is set. This is your fourth lecture in this chapter. In previous lecture we discussed about set, its representation, raster form and set builder form, and its some types: empty set, finite set, infinite set, equal set. Here we discuss some other types, that is subset. What is subset? A set A is said to be subset of B if every element of A is also an element of B. That means, what is subset? A set A is said to be subset of set B if every element of A is also an element of B. It can also be written as A is subset of B if A belongs to A, which implies that A also belongs to B. Here this symbol stands for subset. This symbol stands for subset. If A is said to be subset of B if all element of A is belongs to B. That means if every element of capital A is belong to capital B, then A is said to be subset of B. Now for subset, some important lines you understand this. If A is subset of B and B also subset of A, which implies that A is equal to B. That means two sets are equal, then it's A is subset of B and B also is subset of A. Your second notation is every set A is a subset of itself. That is, every set is a subset of itself. That is, A is a subset of A. Now third point is phi is a subset of every set. That is, null set is a subset of every set. Now phi is subset of A where A is any set. Now using this you can solve one question. If phi capital A is equal to 1 3, capital B is a 1 5 9, capital C is a 1 3 5 7 9. This is our fourth set. Then insert the symbol this and this for the following. Now phi and B. We know that phi is a subset of for every set. Now this B is a set 159. So phi is a subset of B. Now here phi is a subset of B. Second one is A, fill in the blanks, B. Now here A, the element of A is 1 and 3 and element of B is 1 5 9. 1 belongs to A, 1 belongs to B. Clear? 3 belongs to A but 3 does not belongs to B. Therefore A is not subset of B. Therefore A is not subset of B. Third one is A, fill in the blanks, C. Here 1 and 3 belongs to A. For C, 1 3 5 7 9. Here 1 and 3 also belongs to C. Therefore A is a subset of C. Fourth one is B, fill in the blank, C. Element of B is 1 5 9 and C is 1 3 5 7 9. All the elements of B belongs to C. Therefore B is a subset of C. Now using this in number system you can solve some other definition of subset. In number system, n is a set of natural number, w is a set of whole number, z is a set of integer, q is a set of rational number, t is a set of irrational number. T stand for irrational. And now n is a subset of w is a subset of z is a subset of q. Also rational number is a subset of real number, irrational is a subset of real number, but natural number does not subset of irrational number. Now we use our second topics, power set, which is PA. What is power set? The collection of all subset of a set A is called power set of A. It's denoted by PA. That is, in any set A, if written as all subset of that set, then collection of all subset of that set is said to be power set. Now one notation is if na, it means number of element in set A. If number of element in set A is small m, then number of element in power set is equal to 2 की power m. This is the important notation in this topics. Now it is clear that one example, let capital A is equal to 1 2. Here number of element in capital set A is 2, then power set is 5 1 2 and 1 2. How can we write this? Now here phi is the element of any set. Now phi is a subset of this first element. 1 and 2, this written as separately. 1 other set, 2 is the set, and it is itself is a set. Now here is a 4 element. Now here n is equal to 2. Number of element in set A is 2, and number of element in power set is 2 to the power 2, that is 4. This is the representation of a power set. Using this you can solve your homework. Write down all subset of set A is equal to A, B, C, and which of the following are true or false. First one is set AB does not subset of BCA. Set A is a subset of ABC. Set A is belong to ABC. A belongs to set ABC. Set phi belongs to 1, 2, 3. This is the 5 examples. You can assumption true or false. Thank you.